So the Samsung event has just been unpacked and we've got some cool new tech from the brand. I'm M Kwan here on M Kwan Reviews. When it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, before I show you all the colors to help you decide which one is right for you, let's run through some quick specs. First of all, we're getting refinements to the overall design, a slightly shorter and wider profile now, which I really like in the hand. You have a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x with 120Hz refresh for the cover display, and then that main display is a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x, again with 120Hz refresh. Now overall, Samsung are continuing with this industrial look and design, but yeah, what do you think? Inside, we now get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. There's a 50 megapixel main with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The selfie still has the under the display 4 megapixel with a 10 megapixel for the selfie cover camera. Now I'll test out the camera and performance out in my full review, so hit subscribe to see when that goes live. But this year the big push has been in bringing Galaxy AI to the Fold series. There are a few new additions that I really liked working well with this new Fold hardware, like Live Translate in Flex mode that makes it easy for the person you're talking to actually see the translation. It's a nice touch. And I love the generative features for text in Compose where Galaxy AI can change up the styles. This one though was really cool, and that is sketch to image, where you can draw on a photo you've taken and then AI will generate that into various images completely with shadows and details. It worked much better than I thought. More on those features in a separate video, but now let's talk about this year's colors. So we have three, starting with my favorite, which is this silver, very similar to the S24 Ultra Titanium look. Certainly going to be popular this year. And for those that want a splash of summer, there's a slightly muted pink, which in certain lighting actually looks like a rose gold. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Then there's this dark blue that again in certain lighting looks like a deep, very deep blue purple mix. It's actually quite nice. In my opinion, this year's colors are muted, but let me know what you feel about that. And what you think. Are you excited and planning on getting one of these models? And if so, which one? Leave your comments below. Now go and check out this other video. I'll see you there. Follow me, by the way, on Instagram to see more from Galaxy Unpacked with content and exclusives.